Max. I'm working for Sonoco Consumer Product, making processes more safe for operators and making operators' job easier little by little. I did level 4 Improvement Practitioner Apprenticeship. With just knowing the techniques or tools, okay, you know the theory, but can you actually apply it? And that was the barrier I had, and Whyy Change really helped me with overcoming that barrier. The things I've learned in terms of root cause analysis was the Fishbone 5 Whys, extra brainstorming activities, changing the dynamics of the meetings to make sure that everyone is still engaged during the meeting, to get as many inputs from different people as possible. Everyone was really approachable, they were really nice and helpful where needed. They were doing everything they could to make sure that every single learner was feeling safe and being taken care of. This sort of course cannot be replicated just on your own.